What's up everybody, Fritz here. Last week we enabled the enhanced Bluetooth features on the BMW. The features that would allow you to have messages on your iDrive screen as well as have dual phone connection. But what if for some reason your phone still isn't connecting all that well to the BMW? Well, in today's video we're going to go over how you can update the iDrive system in your BMW. Now, if you're wondering if your BMW is eligible for an iDrive update, all that you need is a BMW with a USB drive underneath the armrest and your VIN. If you have that, all that you need to do is take that information and bring it over to your computer. And if you're wondering where you can find your VIN, it's going to be on the door seal right over here. Now go ahead and take a picture of that and let's jump right over to our computer. And then once you're in front of your computer, you will need a flash drive. So let's go ahead and plug this in. And once it's plugged in, before we get to the website, we have to make sure that it's properly formatted. And the way that we'll know the format of it is go to Get Info, and the format that we want is this one, the MDOS FAT32. If yours isn't in that format, the way that you can go about this in a Mac is through the search, type in your disk utility, and select your USB drive, and then hit erase. Here you can select the type of format that you want, and it's going to be this one, the MDOS FAT, and then it will convert it to the FAT32. But we don't need to do that, so we're going to jump right into the website, which is straight from BMW, and I'll leave the link down in the description. But scrolling down, you're going to need your whole VIN. This is why you needed the picture from before. And I have mine stored here, so go ahead and insert that. If for some reason the VIN that you entered was wrong or you had a typo, this outline here will be in red. So as you can see, if I go back one, it won't work. But once I have the whole VIN in there, it'll turn green, and then you can search for the update. And then after that time has elapsed, it will verify that this is your BMW and this is the update that you need for your car. We will now download the link by opening it in a new tab. And as soon as it's done, we can drag it, you can see my thumbnails here, into our USB. You will want to unzip it and then eject it. So now let's jump back into the car. And then with our USB in, let's go into our settings, software update, and then update software. But if the software that you have on the USB stick is the same version that is currently installed on your car, obviously the car won't let you install it. But if it isn't, this is the point in which that you would go ahead and proceed with the update. It'll take a little bit of time, and then once it's done, it'll notify you to turn off the car, let it sit for a few seconds, and then once you're done, turn it back on and the car will be updated. And just like that, we've upgraded the iDrive system in your BMW. Hopefully this fixes the spotty connection that you've had with your phone, as well as updated the menu system in your iDrive system if you've been missing a few things. And if not, you always have BIMR code to fill in the rest. And if you have any additional questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. For everything that we use in this video, it's going to be down in the descriptions. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And I'll see all of you in the next one.